In this short video about GenoSurf, I will explain to you how to use the original, synonym and expanded options. Suppose we already selected the GRCH38 assembly and now wish to select data related to the eye tissue. Using the default option original, we retrieved 7 items. Now looking at the result, we captured 2 sources and all items that are annotated with the word eye. If we wish to use a more inclusive option, the synonym consists of original data and, in addition, related ontological concepts and synonyms. In this way, we retrieved 727 items, which corresponds to 3 sources, also TCGA this time, and the result items are also annotated with I and annexa, which is an alternative way for I. Finally, if we wish to use the expanded option, we also include hyponyms of I. In this case, we increased our dataset of 10 items, so now we have 737, which still means 3 sources, but also items that are related to the retina, which is a part of the eye.